Dear viewers, welcome again to WordPress Bangladesh. Today I will show another WordPress basic tutorial how to install WordPress theme from WordPress dashboard. So I am here in my WordPress site dashboard. From the left menu from appearance, I will click in themes. After that, click here add new. From WordPress, here is showing several theme. You can install from any theme here. I am checking this one. Okay, above each business install. This theme is installed. Now I will activate. Check, this one is activated. Now visit the log. Okay, I just installed the theme. So here is the new theme look like. So here is another way to theme install from WordPress themes. Add new. I just install from here from WordPress. Now I am showing how to install from your hard disk or from your computer. Upload theme, browse. This theme uploading from computer. Now install. It will take few seconds. During the installing, I am give you information from WordPress.org. You can download any theme, any free theme from here, and there is very nice free theme. Maybe uploaded. Yes, unpackaging. Now click activate. This theme I am installed for my computer by uploading. Okay, this one. Now checking the new log. Yes, the log is changing. So I think you can install now any WordPress theme from WordPress or from your computer. Thanks for watching this video.